like the old classic rock song by Aerosmith goes, same old song and dance. And that applies to the start of the January 2022 real estate market, as we're going to do our first marketing report for all of San Diego County and, of course, for the coast. And we're definitely starting off with lack of inventory. Hey, it's Rob, Homes by Rob, Denny, Home Smart Realty West, here with your January 2022 housing market report, where we're going to compare January 2022 to January 2021. We'll do all San Diego County and then up to Oceanside down to Del Mar. Let's just top right into all San Diego County. And let's take a look at detached homes. And, you know, it's amazing, but inventory just keeps getting lower, which is really insane since it was so low last year. But look at all San Diego detached homes. Listings for all San Diego County were down a whopping 44.3%. That's a big drop down, no doubt about it, especially considering where we were in January 21. And, you know, that's actually a third straight year that we're starting January off at 40% below the previous year. 1,607 homes for sale in all of San Diego County. That's a low number. New listings, there were over 2,063 new listings. That's only down 8.1%. So that just means, you know, homes are flying off the market. Sure enough, days on market down to 18. That's minus 14%. So, of course, the prices are up. And the median price was $873,200. For the year last year, they were up 19.2%. We're starting this year up 19.6%. So, of course, the percent of original list price received was under 100%. It's at 102. That's even above last year. And we know how high the prices were last year, how much equity we got. Now take a look at all their attached homes for all of San Diego County for January 2022 compared to January 2021. Listings, all listings in San Diego County for all their attached were way down, 617. That's a 53% decrease. New listings were only down 4.7% at 1,154 new listings. So that means, of course, days on market way down, 36%, down to 16 days. That's low. And the prices are soaring, $595,000 for all their attached home in San Diego County. And that is a 22.7% increase. So the percentage of original list price received was up over last year. 99.7% last year was strong. Well, how about 104% this year? Very high. Now we're going to move over. We're going to take a look at the coast. When I say the coast, of course, I'm talking about Oceanside 92054 all the way down to Del Mar. First thing we'll look at is the detached homes. And all listings of detached homes on the coast were down 65%. They're down to 139. The new listings were down 32% at 136. Days on market dropped all the way down to 22 days. That's a 10% decrease from 2021. And the median price for detached homes on the coast was up over 25%, $2,024,266. That's a big jump. Now take a look at all their attached homes on the coast. We had listings were down all the way down to 71. That's a 47% decrease. New listings were down 15% at 97. Days on market took a big drop down to 52%, down to 11 days on market. And the median price for all their attached homes on the coast, $1,015,416. That is a 24% increase. So what we can see here right off the bat is that the market's already hot, well ahead of spring. As far as the rising rates and falling stock market, they have not derailed the American home buyer at all. Now let's take a look at this chart from Altos Research. And this is for the week ending February 7th. It's total homes for sale. And you can see they're at rock bottom at 256,000, but that's not what I want to focus on here. There are just no signs whatsoever the demand for homes is slowing anytime in the near future. Even with the mortgage rates climbing a little bit, there's still a strong possibility that we may not even see it as turnaround homes until like April, late April. But what I want to draw focus to on this chart is the middle of the chart. In 2018, because the biggest question on everybody's mind right now is, what if interest rates keep going up? What's going to happen to the market? How's it going to impact it? Well, in 2018, we had rising rates. In fact, they rose the highest they've risen in a decade. And it did cause the housing market to slow. But by February 2019, the market was back on track and was up about 6%, more inventory than the previous year. So there was a swing of about 12 to 13% in those months there. But from what I'm hearing, especially from experts like Altos Research, they don't see anything bigger than that happening. Rising rates usually, they're more impactful on people owning a second home. But this bump is not going to have anything to do with all the Americans who've gained tons of equity over the past 3 years, and really longer than that. I mean, you've gained 8% and up since 2013. And most people are locked into a 30-year interest rate at a very low interest rate. So these interest rates are not going to have a big impact on margins on the buyers and sellers. So we may feel a little bit, but we're not going to see a big increase in defaults at all or foreclosures. None of that is coming because Americans have just made a fortune in equity like I said, over the last couple of years. So people that are looking for a home right now, they probably locked their interest rate in last month when the interest rates were still real low. So I don't see anything changing anytime soon. The bottom line is if somebody's looking to buy a house, they may end up having to buy a little bit less house if the interest rates bump up, but they're still going to be looking to buy a home. And let's not forget, the conforming rate in San Diego went up to $879,000 just the 1st of January. And I don't even think everybody's aware of that yet. So that's going to even add more fuel to the fire with buyers. And another thing that's interesting, 84 homes that came on between January 1st, January 31st on the coast, Oceanside 9-205, down to Del Mar. 35 of those went to escrow within 1 week. That's 7 days or less. They were already in escrow. And of those listings, 8 of them closed. 1 of them sold for $100,000 more. 1 sold for the exact list price, and the others all were well over. And these homes were all listed between well over $1 million up to over $3.5 million. So there's a lot of money out there, folks. There's a lot of buyers ready to pounce on homes. I don't see it letting up. No reason to be discouraged about it. Bottom line is, if you're looking to buy a home, you need somebody who thinks outside the box. If you're looking to sell your home, you need somebody who knows how to market it. So you get not only top dollar, but probably get more than you can even think you can get right now. That person would be me, of course. But anyway, I hope you're doing well. Things are heating up. Going to be a hot weekend this weekend. I'm enjoying it. Walks have been beautiful, and I hope you're doing well, and I hope to talk to you soon. If there's anything you need, if there's anybody you think could use this, please feel free to share it with them. Thank you.